Okay, so we have the equation of a line given to us, r equals this parametric thing, and we want to name the coordinates of 3 points on this line. Now, something tricky about this line is they aren't pointing out to you. If we think about a Cartesian plane, R2, and we go over 3 and out 4, it has to be from a starting point. So the fact is, they haven't given it to you, but really, the initial point, you can stick it in here, would be 0 and 0. So over 3 out 4, our vector looks like this. What are some points on that line? Well, one of them could be 0, 0. That would be the nicest point. For any other point, we just pick values of s. What happens if s is 2? Well, I'd get 6 and 8. If s was 3, I would get 9 and 12. I could even pick s as 1, right? The point that's in between the point 3, 4. And there's a bunch of points on that line. So when you're not given that initial point, remember, because lines are movable in space, okay, they're actually telling you the very initial point is 0, 0. Part B, write a vector equation different from the one given in part A that also passes through the origin. Okay, well, what's something that passes through the origin? R equals, and if we want to, we can put the numbers in here this time, and we can pick some other parameter, t, and it didn't say where it has to go, right? It just says something that goes through the origin, so we can pick numbers at random here. -4, 2. That would go through the origin. It would be left 4 and down 2, and it looks something like this. Okay. Again, your choice if you want to put that piece in there. It's assumed to be there if you don't see the 0, 0. Part C, describe how the line with the equation r equals 9, 12 plus t 3, 4 relates to the line given. Well, you might notice that this point is the third point that I picked, right, when s was 3. And we notice this direction is the same as the direction given in the first piece there. So describe how the line relates. It's the same line. Okay? It has the same points with the same direction. It is the same line. And I know that because that point was also on my line. Okay, that's how we do that one there.